Hello, today we will guide you through how to compress video on CapCut PC without losing quality. To get started, open the CapCut app on your computer. Once the app launches, give it a moment to fully load so you can clearly see the main editing workspace. If you already have projects saved in CapCut, you should be able to access them right from the home screen. Next, open your sample project. This is the project you want to compress before exporting. Loading the project first is important because it allows you to adjust the export settings based on the actual video you are working with. Once the project is open, you should see your timeline and preview window, which confirms you are in the right place. After that, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Export. This is where CapCut lets you control the output settings for your video. These settings directly affect both the final file size and the overall visual quality, so this is the key area for compressing your video properly. In the export window, click on the resolution setting and choose a lower resolution. Lowering the resolution reduces the amount of visual data in the final file, which helps make the video smaller. For example, if your video is currently set to a higher resolution, selecting a lower one can significantly reduce file size. At the same time, it is a good idea to choose the lowest resolution that still looks acceptable for where you plan to upload or share the video. This helps you keep a balance between quality and compression. Then click on the bitrate setting and select a lower option. Bitrate controls how much data is used each second of the video. A lower bitrate usually means a smaller file size, which is exactly what you want when compressing a video. However, lowering it too much can make the video look blurry or blocky, so it is best to reduce it carefully. The goal here is to make the file smaller without creating noticeable quality loss. Once these settings are adjusted, CapCut is prepared to export a more compressed version of your video. Reducing both the resolution and the bitrate is a simple and effective way to lower file size while still keeping the video watchable and clean. That's the process for compressing video in CapCut on PC without losing too much quality. Follow these settings carefully and you should end up with a file that is smaller, easier to upload, and still looks good.